In front of me is LENOVO Tab P11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. When you're ready, click on this icon of a photo and the paperclip at the bottom right corner and hit Photos. Now you need to select the photo you wish to add and click on it. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. When you finished, hit Insert at the bottom right corner and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!